evening everyone. Meron tayong bisita. Isa sa mga best basketball player. Kasama natin si Hamtime of Cablas. Sayang, unfortunately wala dito si Mr. Longbaum. Ating inasahan. So first ball, makuha rito agad. First basket mula sa CNF. Tarzan and Jane in the first basket.
And number 9, SPG.
Short. Out of bounds.
Number 12. Number 8, with that.
Basket. 4-0.
Automatic and by the
Time.
Lapit! Nasaan ako? OCJ.
What a nice shot. Mabasa isang lamang ng CNF, Tarzan and Jane. Nabawi sa tres. No. Rebound ng Cablas. Number 28. Nasa sa corner. Wala mo extra movement. Number 8. Derecho. Basket yan. For CNF. Tarzan and Jane. 6-3 ang ating dalahan. Out of bounds. Last touch. Loob. Out. Up and under, no good. Out that pass. Number 88 all the way. Basket is good. For jersey number 88. Oh, steal.
Number
42 basket.
Okay, maraming salamat sa ating mga nanood.
Time and a steal.
Dubai.
Basket. Lumalaki na po ang alamangan ng CNF, Tarzan and Jane.
24.
Wide open, no. Rebound pa rin, halftime.
Tabi. Ayan na. Halftime. Gusto mo, Lucy.
Steal.
Number
Number 12 is. And a rebound by Cablas.
Number 24.
Up and under, no. Out the pass, number 88 all the way. 14-3. And another steal. 42 to number 88. Jump shot is good.
Dito muna kayo.
Out of bounds, last touch. Basket.
Number 20. Number 12. Dubai. Number 14.
By number 14. Out of bounds, last touch. CNF and Tarzan and Jane basketball.
Number 8.
Uy, that's a travel.
Foul. Number 0, number 24.
Number 24, 4-3. Yes, sir! Para sa tres. By number 24. Mabasa 10 ang lamang. Number 42, pinigay sa corner. Diba, sir po? Sir.
Lahat daw, lahat, papalitan. Palitan.
4-3.
Super.
Basket.
Engage to 42.
Number 88, kick out.
Number 12, Gonzalo Filipino.
Wala.
14.
Basket by number 40.
Tumoto na sa 13.
Wide open. No.
Number 14. Engage.
No good. Isa pa. Wala pa rin. Number 8, wala pa rin. Halftime. Good, no good.
Sabre.
Arabas.
Palit 5. Dubai. Ito na, kaya ang time. Ang naman talaga wala yung tira. Takbo na. 2 points, stop gas. Luis Sergio. Number 8. 88. 12. Number 8. Wala pa rin. Subay. 135%. Uy!
Bawi ang CNF. Good.
Okay, 55 seconds left. 2 points to go. It's the trouble. 2 points.
10 seconds.
5 seconds left.
Oh, in and out. Oh! End of the first quarter. Official score of 41-16 in favor of the team CNF. Tarzan and Jane.
Hindi po, maraming salamat po sa support na deciding Aliu Open Astro Team.
Ayan, 16-41. Lamang pa rin po ang CNF. Ayan, maraming salamat po, Caps.
Okay, second quarter tayo.
Alright, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Ayan. Pasok na po dito si Coach. Doon. Wala na sige. Jump shot, no?
Parang siya na si Tubig. 22. Nagpakita niya sa akin. Solid na number 24.
Half-time starts at and one. What a move for halftime.
Number 12. Halftime. Good shot. Half-time.
Bonus shot. Miss. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. What a nice spin move. Nice move by Tubig. 20-41. Down by 21 points. Cross-court pass to number 17. Kick out. Wide open. That's a 3 seconds violation. Bola rito ng Kablas. Wide open. Oh. Rebound by number 12. 3 against 1. Steal.
Number 5, number 24. Coach DJ.
Uy. Number 20 all the way. Basket. 43-20.
24, number 5.
Pass
Coach
to
DJ.
running shot, no good. And rebound, outlet pass, number 17, all the way, basket.
Yan na ba?
Sayang, hindi ka na. Jump shot, no.
Number 24.
Pass. Uy, no.
Ang palayo, the Magic Man.
Kick out, wide open. No. Behind the back, up and under basket. Nice move for halftime. 47-22. Number 20 basket.
And number 5, set the ball. Good,
Outlet pass, number 12. Grabe yun. Nakatakbo ka doon ang CNF. Tarzan and Jane.
Yata na kayo sa DJ, zero. Wala yung sila.
What a nice pass and one.
One basket ba?
Basket count and one by jersey number 12 of CNF, Tarzan and Jane. 53-24 ang ating dalan with the time remaining 5 minutes and 58 seconds. One shot, basket, 54-24, 30 na po ang lamang ng CNF, Tarzan and Jane. Number 28, one shot, miss, rebound ng red shirt. Pinasa number 20 and gets the foul. First foul.
Wala yung zero. Number 20. Second shot.
Second shot. Short.
Saan ka nagaling niya? Number 5.
Top of the key for 3. Wala. And rebound.
Number 5.
Kick out. Wide open. No good. Sa loob and an easy basket.
Number 5.
Rep. Sorry. And a steal.
Get it back. A black foul.
There's a foul.
Number 5.
Good.
Outside, right open shot.
Oopsie.
Banano. Sabre.
Wide open. Oh, yeah.
70.
Number 70 basket.
We have time. Finish the step.
Uy! Sayang.
Asa na? Number 5.
Short.
And that, finish 30 seconds.
Hey. Oh, good. Sub. Sub.
Sabre. Oh, yung kabila.
Chica boy. Sa akin to, bro? Sa akin? O sa'yo? Sa'yo. Thank you.
Number 5.
Bob, the Mr. MVP. Last Mayor's Cup. Ayan, nagpapakilala na. 4-3. Yes, sir. Ha? Balong ba to? Hindi, si ano? Sa dulo ng dila ko. Final sa MVP na. Mayor's Cup. Last, nito.
Number 30. Luis Forte.
Tama. Ayan eh.
Yan po ang
Naglalaro pala.
SMC ng FF Senior Division, Mr. Rigorio.
Oh.
Kaya, MVP moves.
Wala.
Police Green.
Running shot. Basket.
Zero.
Wala.
20.
Ayan.
Rigorio. Tablet foul number 24. Tablet. 1:55 seconds left.
No good para kay Gregorio.
That's that.
Second shot. Basket.
Basket.
62-29. Bad pass.
Yan ang pumunti. Rigorio. Uy! Malakas yan. Number 24. Parang sinunod speed lang. 70 to number 5. Iwan.
Kay Gregorio.
Camilo.
Last 55 seconds.
50 seconds left.
Gregorio. Jump shot. In and out.
40 seconds. Iwan. Take the ball by number 24.
Three.
Play the ball side.
32-66.
Seconds.
Yes, a foul.
Number 23.
Time remaining, last 4 seconds. In and out.
Basket one.
Oopsie. 4 seconds.
4 seconds left.
Four, three, two, and that's the end of our
Second quarter.
second quarter. Official score 32-68 sa pagtatapos ng ating first half. 70-32 sa ating pagbabalik for the third quarter. Muli maraming salamat po sa suporta sa ating Attitude Basketball League's Open League Season 2. If I'm not mistaken, ayan, Kablas versus the CNF, Tarzan and Jane sa ating pagbabalik ng second quarter.
ako.
Okay, third quarter.
Ah,
Okay, we're going to
kala ko kasama
shout
pa
out.
sa Mercado eh.
Uy, sub ka na daw. Sub ka na daw.
Okay, third quarter na po tayo. Sa present po rin tayo. Open basketball game.
Yes, go. Third quarter. Wide open. No. Rebound ng Kablas.
3-8.
Spin, drive, no. Number 5, wala pa rin. Up and under miss. Rebound ng Kablas. Cross court pass. Step back three. Uy, no. Number 23, binigay sa corner. Fake. Number 24, 4-3. Bam! Baya. Babawi. No. Stop and pump. No good. Out of bounds. Last touch. Okay, sa corner. Too strong. Rebound by Gregorio. Out and pass. Cross court pass. Number 8. Nice shot.
And number 24 from the downtown.
Wide open. Yes, sir.
Royal number 8. Number 20. Yeah.
Oh, good. Babawi sa tres. Oh, off the glass. Ang Kablas. Ayan na. Low pickup. Oh, and a steal. Number 23. Oh, ganda naman ng pasa na yun. Too strong nga lang. Out and pass and a steal. Kick out. Wide open. No. Rebound by number 27. Pass to Gregorio. Bounce pass to number 10. Alley-oop. Basket. By number 8. 74-38. Number 5, 4-3. No good. Uy. By number 22. Malaki na po ang alamangan ng CNF Tarzan and Jane. Wala tawag. Four, three. Oh. Basket by number 28. Number 5. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Oopsie. Bad pass.
14 seconds.
4-3. Ayan na. number by 24. Nakakailan 3 points na rito sa number 24. For Kablas. Babawi sa Tres. No. Rebound ng Kablas. Number 28. Cross-court pass. Boom! What a pass to the factory boy. Gregorio. Babawi, wala. Kick out. Too strong. Uy. No good. Number 28.
24. Let's take it. What's up? Papasok na, what's up? What's up, time? Ito na, papasok na. O sige. Ano dito yan?
Ayan na! Uy!
Victoria.
Uy! Wala! Rebound ng Kablas. 40-16. 76 na po ang ating score, ha?
Number 10. Kumar.
Let's get by number 10.
Okay na lang. Okay.
Okay, sa foul. Ayan na, pass na. Number 0. Ay, pinasok na rin dito si Boss Sampay. Ayan na, maghaharap na. Boss waiting. Hamtime versus Boston. Uy, still. Number 10 at the right basket. Ay, still there para kay Boston. 80-46 ang ating dalan. Nasa corner, wide open. No. Number 10, basket. Timeout muna rito ang Kablas. Official score 46-82 in favor of the CNF. Tarzan and Jane. Ayan, shoutout po. Tinatan-hatan dito muna ni Hamtime, the team of Hamtime. Okay, back to the ball game. 82-46 in favor pa rin sa team ng CNF, Tarzan and Jane. With the time remaining 3 minutes and 28 seconds, 46-82. Number 28, pass number 24 for 3. No. Another rebound by number 28. Babawi naman siya sa 3. Short. Rebound pa rin. Nakuha ni Boston. Out that pass. Too strong. Wala rito ng Team Kablas. Out that pass. Hamtime. Uy, too strong. Another rebound. Walang tawag. Number 28. Step back 3. Miss. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Binigay. Pass to number 97. Steal by number 28. Pass to Hamtime. Hamtime. Uy. Up and under. Yes, sir. For Hamtime. What a nice move. Pinoy step for Hamtime and gets the bubbling. 48-82. Humahabol ang Team Kablas. Ayan na. Stop and pump. Short. Rebound by number 27. Number 27. Alley-oop. Short. Last 2 minutes tayo para sa ating third period. Outlet pass. Running shot, no. Basket. 84-48. Step back three. Long two. 84. Bounce pass. Alley-oop. Fake. Fade away. Wala. Rebound by number 28. Outlet pass to Ham Time. Uy, Ham Time. Uy, nabitawan. Good defense by Boss Ron. Na out of balance dito si Ham Time. 50-84, last 52 seconds. Catch and shoot, wala. Rebound by number 28. Ay na, nagmamadali. 3 against 1. Number 24. Fake. Looking for his teammate. Cross-court pass. Number 0 for 3. Boom! That's a long two for jersey number 0. Ron. Nice move by Boss Ron. 86-54. Babawi rito si Ham Time. Ham Time with the cross. Nakalusot. Yun lang. And a steal. Ay na, 2 against 1. Running shot. Basket is good. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Wide open. Ooh. End of the third quarter, Fishes score 88-52 in favor of the team CNF, Tarzan and Jane. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang mag-aawagi sa labanang ito? Makakahabol kaya rito ang Kablas? Alright. Mananalo ang CNF, Tarzan and Jane.
Okay, final quarter tayo.
Fourth and final quarter. Let's go. Kablas versus CNF, Tarzan and Jane. Number 28. Pass to halftime. Number 28 for 3. No. Stop and pop. No good. Pass to halftime. 4-3. Wala. 88 basket count and 1.
And bonus shot for number 18. Number 14, isang shot. Number 14, isang ikunin. And now.
4-3 short. Number 28, Essie. Tago step, tumira, wala, rebound.
Number 18.
Jump shot, basket. 52-94.
Time.
Uy. Step back to, no.
88, 4-3.
Oh.
Pasok ang linyahan, number 20. 4-2, ground the downtown.
Good.
And it out, full cut. 42.
Basket. $54, $94. 40 na lamang ay nahabol.
42.
Behind the back. Cross court pass.
10 seconds, shoot.
10 seconds. 4-3. Oh, there's a foul. Time out. Time out, Kablas. Official score 54-94 with the time remaining 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Basket is good.
Bakit naman?
92-54.
42. Solid half time. The CJ, the cat. Number 42.
Wide open, no.
Ano naman, pakita si Boss Ron.
Boss Ron.
Nagtatago ng bola. Number 24, nangagay sa pahe.
Time out, 5 minutes.
Yun, lumipat na.
Bad pass. Ay na.
Lipat.
Out of bounds.
Nakalipat. Sasansawin ko yun.
Number 24, 4-3. No.
Yeah. Kalipat nyo.
Basket. Time out muna rito ang TM Kablas. Or 99. Ay, sige. Thank you.
Pakita mo.
Ayan, shoutout sa ating mga official dito. Ayan.
Ali2, Open Basketball League.
Yes sir, Season 2. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa mga lahat ng sumali. Ayan. Uy! But that's a travel. napapakamot dito. Sige, half time.
Boss Ron! Boss Ron! Reverse!
Uy, wala.
Parang si Kenneth Gawin Justin pala to.
Half time, uy.
Sayang.
Basket. 154. Half time. Cross court pass, number 5. Wala pa rin eh. No. Uy, alley-oop.
Number 8, 20.
Basket by number 20.
Mundo.
Wide open. No.
On number 20.
Release 25.
Top of the key, short.
Kanina malakas ko namin.
3 minutes and 22 seconds left para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan, malapit-lapit na tayo sa dulo, partner.
Sino kaya mananalo dito?
Number 23 for 3. No, rebound by Boss Ron.
At ibulipan tayo dito.
Drop pass. Out of bounds. Uy, short. Top of the key, bell. 3. Drop pass. What a nice finger roll by number 27. Half time. Uy, hindi ka na magawan. 4-3, short.
Last 2 minutes.
Boss Ron. Uy, uy.
Ball reverse.
Isa pa.
Nakatibuli pa yan. Tatalo yan.
1 minute and 38 seconds.
1 and 35.
Wide open, yes sir. Back-to-back 3 points, 61-08. Babawi sa 3, wala. And a rebound.
Other trivia.
4-3. Whoa! Grabe naman yun. Isa pa. Isa pa. Ayan na, mainit dito si number 0, 4-3. Wala. Get the foot back.
50 seconds left.
65. Number 20, wide open. Last 36 seconds. 35.
And naman sa 3.
Uy, mandi ka na.
19 seconds.
18. Uy! Basket. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Alright, our final score, 110-65.
Best player of the game, number 18.
A good game from both team. Ang final score is 65-110. Panalo po ang CNF, Tarzan and Jane. Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at magkita ulit po tayo para sa ating next live. And shoutout po Swoop. Ayan. Good night everyone. Keep safe. Our best player of the game, none other than jersey number 88 of the SCNF, Tarzan and Jane. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating second or next game. Or good night everyone. Keep safe. Good night. This is your Attitude Basketball League Open League Season 2. Makita-kita po tayo for our next time.